Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Facebook comments not showing or loading.
Fix 1. Refresh the app/page. Step 1. Close Facebook completely. Step 2. Reopen the app or refresh the web page. Step 3. Try opening the post again. Fix 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. Turn off Wi-Fi/mobile data. Step 2. Turn on again. Step 3. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Fix 3. Update the Facebook app. Step 1. Open Play Store/App Store. Step 2. Search Facebook. Step 3. Tap Update, if available. Fix 4. Clear cache, Android only. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook. Step 2. Tap Storage. Step 3. Tap Clear cache. Fix 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. Turn off any VPN. Step 2. Restart Facebook and check again. Fix 6. Change comments sorting. Step 1. Open the post. Step 2. Tap Most Relevant. Step 3. Change it to all comments.